Now the question said that Jim had $50 more than Joe at first, and when Joe gave, $250 to Jim, Jim had 6 times as much money as Joe. So how do we go about drawing the models? We start with this statement. In the end, Jim had 6 times as much as Joe. So we assign 1 unique model to be Joe, and therefore Jim would have 6 units. That's for in the end. Alright, so at first, how does the model look like? At first, Joe's model should be longer than the end because he had more money at first and then gave away money, so he had less in the end. Same goes with Jim's model. Jim's model firstly must be longer than Joe's money by $50. Alright, at first. Alright, then Jim's model should be shorter than in the end because he received 250 in the end, so the model looks longer in the end. So the difference of Joe at first and the end is 250. Same goes to the difference between Jim and before and in the end is 250. Alright, because there is a transfer of $250. Therefore, the difference is 250. Now, by looking at this part of the model, alright, which I trace this figure down so that it's easier for you to see. And then looking at this part of the model, straight away you know that 5 units is equal to 250 plus 50 plus 250. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units is equal to 250 plus 50 plus 250 again. So 5 units is equal to 550. Alright, therefore 1 unit will be 550 divided by 5, which is $110. That's for 1 unit. Now the question is, how much did Jim have at first? So we look at the model at first. Jim had this amount, which is the total of 6 units minus 250. So Jim at first is 6 units minus 250. Since 1 unit is equal to 110, therefore 6 units is 660. So we put in 660 minus 250. Work out your sum, you get $410. Okay, so the answer is Jim had $410 at first. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.